Relational database. In relational database, we have multiple tables instead of a single table. When you have a single table, usually we call it a flat table. And this flat table can be splitted into multiple tables in a process called normalization. Based on the normalization or splitting the flat table, we have several types of relationships: one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-many relationships. The one-to-one relationship is not very common, but it can be useful in some cases. For example, if you have an employee table and each employee needs to drive, or it's allowed only to drive one company car. In this case, we need one-to-one relationship. So the car ID will be repeated one time inside the employee table. Typically, we have a unique ID or primary key in each tables. In all database systems, the primary key is support auto-generate to prevent duplicate values. And in case this primary key repeated inside another table, then it will call foreign key. And foreign key is okay to be duplicated. But in one-to-one relationship, the primary key from the other table, which is used as the foreign key, will repeat only one time. So in this example, each employee is allowed to drive one car in the company. That's why we have one-to-one relationship. The other type of relationship is one-to-many relationship, which is more common than the other types. For example, we have two tables, employee and city. As you see, the city table contains a list of cities, and each city has a city ID which is unique and not repeated. That's why we call it primary key. This primary key is used inside the employee table as a foreign key, and it is okay to be repeated. But the city ID inside the original table called primary key, it is not repeated. They are all unique. And because we have different employees belong one city, for this we have a one-to-many relationship. The other type of relationship is many-to-many relationship. As you see, a customer and product, they have many-to-many relationship. They are joined together using joint table or intermediate table. In this example, for example, we have John Doe in this example we have one customer purchased a different type of product. So this is one-to-many. But when the same product has been purchased by different customer, this is one-to-many in the other side. That's why we have many-to-many relationship. In SQL, we are using a join clause that easily retrieves related data from multiple tables. So when you need result that includes multiple rows from multiple tables, you will need to use join query. And we have several types of join: inner join, outer join, and cross join. In the next video, we will explain one by one with examples how to use and when to use these joins.